0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Oh, that's real good. You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
5. No stranger to speed out of the 200-mile-an-hour line. San Diego Roadster Club Kilger Family Racing 1929 Ford Roadster sporting a Chevrolet 75 vintage 8-cylinder 302 cubic inch small block. We got Mike behind the controls in this run looking for a 223-mile-an-hour class record. That is a D Lone Fuel Roadster. Horsepower is really picking up. I think I heard a 20-mile-an-hour tailwind. Car number 505, Kilger Family Racing through the traps at 192.763, 192.763, not quite 223 class record. Still a respectable run.
You came out nice, pretty.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to day 2. Day 2. There we go. Day 2. El Mirage, Southern California Timing Association, Dry Lake Racing. Hopefully we can get through round 1 and start getting through round 2. Push some cars down the line, set some more records. Yesterday was pretty exciting. A lot of fast times yesterday. If I remember correctly, I think yesterday 2:55 was the top time. start out here. We're going to continue with round 1 from yesterday after getting blown out. So we're going to do our best to finish round 1, which I think there's probably about 25 vehicles left in round 1. And I think we're going to send... Here we go, out of the 200-mile-an-hour line. Car number 644. Here we go, 505 on course now, favoring the center of the course, grabbing for gears, looking for speed. Kilger Family Racing. San Diego Roadster Club entry, round 1, they ran a 192 on a 223 record. We've got Mike behind the controls in this run. That is a 1929 Ford Roadster sporting an 8-cylinder small block Chevrolet. They did better today. They ran a 199.922, 199.922 for Kilger Family Racing, car number 505. Getting closer to that 223 class record.